This is Joe Casali of the Professional Services team. In this video, you'll learn how to organize the dynamic navigation menu. Dynamic navigation menus are only available to users of dynamic templates. A dynamic template is one that allows buttons to act as folders, which contain more buttons within. When a visitor to your website mouses over a dynamic button, more buttons will slide out and become available to them. For example, when I mouse over this Markets button, more buttons slide out, offering links to related content. Now, since you have the ability to hide buttons, dynamic navigation can also be useful in keeping the number of visible buttons down on your website. You can see here that I've created web pages for specific tools: hammers, saws, and screwdrivers. I want a folder button labeled Tools, and when I mouse over it, I want these buttons to slide out and become available to me. Now, users of dynamic templates will find a link to the navigation on the main menu and two more located in the Update Your Website Pages area. Click any of these links to access the dynamic navigation. On the right side of the navigation page, you'll see the navigation tree. On the left, you'll find the area for adding different types of pages to your website. You'll also find a legend describing what it is that you see over on the right-hand side. Notice how Markets is labeled as a text placeholder. This is the button that we looked at earlier, and I referred to it as a folder button. Notice also how the quotes, charts, and portfolio pages are below and slightly to the right of the folder button. This is how you position buttons when you want them to be dynamic. Let's create a folder button called Tools. From the menu position, choose where you want the button to be located. I want mine on the vertical menu located on the left side of my website. Next, select a category. In this case, I'll choose Custom Menu. Again, I like to refer to these as folder buttons. The other two selections are DTN menu items and web pages that you yourself have created. We'll give our folder button the name of Tools. Click the Add button, and you'll see the button added to the navigation tree under the vertical menu. Now, I'll drag my 3 pages of Tools under and slightly to the right of the Tools folder button, then click Save Ordering to save my pages. Now, I'll visit my website and refresh the page to see the new Tools button, and when I mouse over it, I'm presented with the links to our pages. Thank you for using DTN.